Hello, I'm excited to tell you more about Learn to Write Now and how we can help your student become a better writer, reader, and overall thinker. Our mission is to provide world-class English language arts education for every student. To this end, we've developed high-quality, cost-effective enrichment programs suited for children of all ages. But why are we dedicated to teaching reading and writing in the first place? Because we know that language is the foundation of all learning. Good readers absorb more content. Good writers draw stronger lines of reasoning. Good speakers communicate their ideas with clarity and confidence. Whether a student is studying literature, history, computer science, law, or medicine, their success depends on comprehension and composition skills. 15 years ago, however, we noticed that even in the best school districts, children were struggling with language arts skills. While many parents and teachers were prioritizing STEM, reading and writing were relegated to the sidelines. And while it's true that more and more jobs require knowledge of science and math, language skills are far from superfluous. Ask yourself, how often do you need to do calculus versus how often do you send emails, give presentations, or converse with clients? There's a reason communication skills top the list of what employers are looking for in potential hires. And schools aren't the only ones prioritizing STEM. While plenty of centers are dedicated to math enrichment, we noticed a lack of centers dedicated to teaching language arts. We believe one major reason for this is that writing is hard to teach. When it comes to math, there are only a few ways to approach a problem, and each approach comes with concrete steps and leads to a definitive answer. But when it comes to writing, there are a million different ways to move from idea to outline to polished final draft. This is why Learn to Write Now has spent the last 15 years perfecting our curriculum and making sure we hire skilled teachers who know how to effectively deliver it. So, what is our process? First, we aim to inspire a love of learning in our students. Our passionate teachers and engaging lessons get kids excited about reading and writing. Our students look forward to our classes. They don't dread them. Second, we ensure that our students' enthusiasm is directed towards consistent and sufficient practice outside of class. Our assignments provide the necessary framework for students to develop their skills independently. Third, we provide detailed feedback for each student. We review their homework thoroughly as well as track their participation within the classroom. If we notice a student falling behind, we will reach out and provide the support needed to get them back on track. All of this creates a result-oriented process focused on collaboration and accountability, where every child can achieve their desired learning outcomes. At Learn to Write Now, we offer 3 different types of programs. Our most popular offering is our workshops. These are small group classes and are offered seasonally in fall, spring, and summer, as well as year-round. Our seasonal workshops focus on one subject, such as grammar, reading, writing, or speech and debate, while our year-round program, Learn to Write Now 360, is comprehensive, covering all aspects of language arts. The workshops are designed for students in kindergarten to 12th grade, and classes begin in September, January, and June. And if a student requires a more personalized approach, we offer tailored one-on-one programs. Any of our workshops can be molded or combined to create a customized learning experience. We also provide professional writing services for clients who need help completing projects like term papers, college essays, cover letters, or scholarship applications. Last but not least, we've recently introduced clubs for students in kindergarten through 5th grade. Our clubs are more relaxed than our workshops while still building the necessary skills needed for future academic success. For example, our book club provides a fun, supportive place where students can build a lifelong love of literature. Unlike our workshops, you can sign up for our clubs year-round and take a break whenever necessary. If you'd like to learn more, we encourage you to explore our website. There, you'll find plenty of information about our programs, as well as our most recent schedule. You also should take advantage of the free resources like our daily writing app and monthly newsletter. And if you have any remaining questions or concerns, you can always contact us. Thank you for your interest in Learn to Write Now. We look forward to helping you and your child write the beginning of their success story.